Today we're going to do what I think is one of the best interior upgrades for your GMT-900 truck. This is a 2008 Yukon Denali, so that means it has the fake wood package on and pretty much everything. And this console here specifically is what I think is one of the worst design features about this. Obviously you have these doors here, which I guess in theory is kind of cool because you can cover up whatever you have in there, but you have a console for that and a glove box. I don't know why you'd ever want to cover up your cup holders, but for some reason in Cadillacs and nicer vehicles, they think you want to do that. They always break. Chances are yours are probably broken if you're watching this video. Up here, I guess you could put some sunglasses, but that's really pretty much it. Sometimes I'll put my phone here, like I'll stand it up like that, but that's about the most beneficial thing about this setup. This kind of shrouds the cups when you put them in here. So, you know, obviously you have that in the way. But anyway, we're going to show you how to remove that and install this piece, which is what GM considers a downgrade. It's in their lower trimmed trucks, but I think it's one of the best things you can do. So obviously we probably don't need to have 4 cups in the front. I mean, you may, but both of these things are removable, which leaves you a huge tray inside here, and you can configure this setup however you want. Super easy. The best part about this upgrade is it's crazy cheap. This piece right here, if you for some reason break it, which I mean mine's obviously broken, and you need to get a new one, they are $150 to $250 used on eBay. This right here, the upgrade kit, in my opinion, is less than 40 bucks. If you use the coupon code in the description, I think it brings it down to $30 on Amazon, which is fantastic. So let me get the camera set up and we'll go ahead and get started. All we're gonna have to do is actually super easy to remove this thing. Go ahead and move this door forward if yours hasn't broken off by now, and stick both of your fingers in these edges, and we're just gonna pull up. This thing should come right out. If it doesn't, you can use a trim toolkit like this. It's gonna have these little plastic pieces, kind of like this, and you may need a piece like this to get yours out. More than likely, if you haven't spilled soda all over yours and things like that, you're not gonna need it. I'll put a link to that if you want to buy that kit. So anyway, we're going to pull right here. Just pull straight up, and that's it. So I've seen some super nasty ones like an Escalade that I took this out of, and there's no way it was going to come out just by pulling it. It was cemented in there with filth. All right, at this point, you can clean up this nastiness if you would like to. This is a spring from mine over there. Obviously, mine was broken. All right. Here's our new piece. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these cup holders out. So you can see there's one out, and there's the other one out, and you can configure them, like I said, however you want. Now we have all this room in here, which is gonna be great. And all we gotta do is put this thing in the same way the other one came out. These 2 tabs are gonna go forward up in the front. You can very clearly see where they're supposed to index. Then we're gonna lay the thing down in here and pound it pretty good. Okay, so don't be afraid to be forceful. You are really going to have to beat this thing in here. I've done these before, and that's how I know that. The first time I tried to put one in, I thought something was wrong because it stuck up on the sides, and I could not get it to fit down in there. But anyway, you got to beat the crap out of them. All right, now you can configure your cup holder in whichever area you want it to be. So I think I'm going to leave mine just like that, and we'll do it there. That way, if you want to put in like one of those phone charging pads, now you've got all this room to install one of those. So that's kind of neat. But all right, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to this whole assembly here, and then also to the toolkit if you end up needing it. I don't think you will, but at least it'll be there if you want to check it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.